Which infection when you carry, when you no one carry again?
No, I never carry infection before. Never carry infection before.
You not carry infection?
No.
You never treat infection before?
No, I never treat infection before.
Step in the
kitchen. No, I
This
never
your
treat
look,
it.
this your look, this somehow.
Look me very well.
I just asked you a question. Which infection when you carry, when you no one carry again, or which infection when person carry, when you no one make that person, when you no one make carry?
Okay. It's not me. I will say I don't look like a person to carry that one they call gonorrhea. Hey, One Piece, you get a shout. One of my guys don't carry her. We are squatting with me. Just go carry one gear like that time, and we are telling the guy that this gear now will show that all our street knows the gear. No, so no proper treatment that time, and he just be like, I don't do am now. What to do me now? So after I think 2 months or 3 months, started experiencing pain. Even go peace, you go the shout, start laughing. So guys then now they will be joking around about it. So
you no one carry that infection?
No one. Yeah. Why you go the peace? You go the shout. You be dog.